I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop getting text message notifications on Apple CarPlay. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down the Settings menu and tap Notifications. Step 3. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Messages and then tap Messages. Step 4. Look for the Alerts section near the top of the screen. You will see a dedicated option for Show in CarPlay. Step 5. Tap the toggle switch next to Show in CarPlay to turn it off. Going forward, you will no longer receive any text message banners, sounds, or alerts on your Apple CarPlay screen while driving. Your messages will still arrive safely on your iPhone, but they will stay quiet until you check your phone later. If you only want to silence notifications temporarily without messing with your permanent settings, you can also use your iPhone's driving focus mode. You can set up driving focus in your iPhone settings under Focus, which allows you to mute all notifications automatically whenever your phone detects you are driving or connected to CarPlay, and it turns off automatically as soon as your drive ends. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.